Well, we just heard that story about Hillary, and what a storm it was. Who would have thought the first tropical cyclone to impact the U.S. would be in California, the first time in 80 years that there was a direct impact from a tropical storm. And just to put this rainfall in perspective, Los Angeles, Palm Springs, San Diego, they average around less than a half an inch, in some cases well below a half an inch of rainfall throughout the entire summer. But some spots got 10 times this amount. Los Angeles got just shy of 3 inches. Palm Springs just over 3. San Diego under 2 inches, which shattered records not only for the day, but August all-time monthly records. And this fell in a 24 to 48-hour period. Fortunately, the worst is definitely over with. Just a few showers around to the north of Los Angeles in some of the higher terrain. And then the remnants of Hillary is back over Montana and Idaho. You still have some showers stretching from north of San Francisco up towards the Canadian border, but the worst is definitely over with. And as we move around 3,000 miles to the east, we had a few showers earlier, some downpours over Saratoga County, but that is diminishing, and we are seeing improving conditions right now as we look outside on our Freihoffer Skycam in Schenectady. It is 65 degrees. Winds are a bit breezy at times. Notice that flag there blowing around a little bit northwest at around 7 to 8 miles an hour. Here's a look at the wind gusts. Other than Albany, no one else is reporting it, but I can't rule out over the next few hours a 15 to 20 mile per hour gust. And this is helping usher in that drier and cooler air. Check out these dew points. Earlier we were in the upper 60s to 70. Big drop off right now. Albany's in the mid 50s. Lake Pleasant getting ready to drop into the upper 40s, and dew points that are in the low 50s to upper 40s are really like that invigorating type air mass, and that is going to be over us later tonight and especially during the day tomorrow. Check out these temperatures. Still a pretty big range out there. It's 73 in Poughkeepsie, 70 in Hudson, not too far away, dropping into the upper 50s in Lake Pleasant, upper 50s in Danby, and 67 degrees in Albany, 64 in Amsterdam. What's happening right now is a weak front is pulling off towards the south. High pressure is building on in. That's going to keep us in that northerly and comfortable flow and give way for a pretty cool night tonight, a windows open type of night. Temperatures mid to upper 40s in some of the higher terrain spots and well off towards the north and east. 49 Rutland, 49 Bennington, 46 we'll say in Indian Lake, and even through the Hudson Valley. Open up those windows later on tonight, mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow will be a lovely day for day number 2 of the Washington County Fair. Low to mid 70s up there, lots of sunshine. Similar story at the Joe, first pitched at 6:30, coming off that win on Sunday. Temperatures dropping down into the low 70s, just terrific conditions for baseball. But maybe for those later innings, won't be a bad idea to bring a sweatshirt because that dry air mass temperatures could fall quickly at night. Tomorrow, again, it's mid to upper 70s. Some of the cooler spots could be stuck in the low 70s during the day. Here is Wednesday, similar to Tuesday, maybe a degree or two warmer, 75 to 80 degrees. It's mostly to partly sunny skies, perhaps a few more clouds west of the capital region, but we look to stay dry. And here's a look at the dew points over the next 4 days. As these stay low, we tend to have rain chances on the low side, but notice how they start to creep up Thursday and Friday. Well, that looks like it's going to coincide with our next rain chance. It doesn't look like a washout, but I think there's going to be some scattered showers and even a few downpours Thursday afternoon, and to a lesser extent on Friday, and an even lesser extent on Saturday. Here is the next 7 days. Pair of lovely days tomorrow and Wednesday, dealing with some showers and clouds on Thursday. Temperatures are cooler that day with the cloud cover. Saturday, just a chance of a few showers, but I think overall this weekend is looking really lovely, feeling more like September than August, Liz.
We are ready for that, Sam. Thank you very much. And you can